folks. Hey, it's me again. In this episode of Man vs. Vice Grip, you will see this Vice Grip. But anyway, this is not the star of the show. So what I'm going to show you is more lock and pliers. I noticed something, and I'm not really sure because wait, let me see if I got this right here. That's not it. This is a wait, is that it? Same one. It's an older one. And I have a vintage one here. Hold on. Where is it? Anyway, let's get back to the thing here. If you look here, I don't know if you can see this dull finish. Let me turn this on here. Well, this one's made in China. It's got a gray, like, weird finish. I don't know if you can see the difference. I noticed, since I only had one of these, 4-inch one, I had to buy another one. This is an older one right here. See that this is a made in USA Vice Grip, the original. This is an original, I guess a little after IRWIN bought it. This one here is a brand new one, and if you look at it, I noticed these are made in China. I don't know if you can see the difference in finish. I noticed the Taiwanese ones, because this one's made in Taiwan, have a different finish. This is a Taiwanese original IRWIN Vice Grip one. And it does not, let me take it out of the package. There's a store in a local town here I discovered has a couple of these. If you notice, I'll show you here. See the difference in finish? Made in USA has a nice shiny glossy thing here. This one has that weird. But I noticed, like, even though these are different, a little pin on here. If you look, let me just lock this so it doesn't pop open on me. If you notice the little pin right here, that's different. There's the 4WR on this one. The writing on this is the newer one. On the older one's clear on it. It looks like they did a better job. And it's just all around me. So I bought these two, and I noticed that the finish was different. And all the newer ones all have this grayish, like, I don't know, dark whatever. The old IRWINs had a nice shine. I don't know if I have another older one down here. But these are the, these are the old ones. I think I have a Peterson one here somewhere. I have one? Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, that's an IRWIN. Where'd the Peterson one go? I had it here somewhere. Anyway, the old Peterson ones still had this finish on it. So yeah. But if you look at them, you can tell see, Chinesium. This one's USAism. I honestly like this finish better. It's got a smoother, it's kind of like gritty. It's still a nice finish, and don't get me wrong, these are really cool. Like, they don't have the little blingy thing here to unlock them, but they have this little piece here. It's actually pretty cool. I have to admit they did a number on that. This a little smooth, but I always like the original. I mean, hey, but I just thought I'd show you. I bought another. I picked up another little tiny one. Here's the stupid part. Even though there's like the old ones, I can still get a bunch of these. And they're like $20, $13 on eBay. And they're cheaper at the local store here. The original, I would like to get some Peterson ones. I want to buy at least one or two of the original Peterson ones. But yeah, these are probably just after Peterson sold out the company. And there's a number 10 on here. This has 45N. This one has 10 with a little mark in it. So, I like them. It's pretty cool. 4-inch. Pretty cool. So now I have a made in America, made in Taiwan, and a bunch of other little shitty ones. They're so cute. They're so cute. As you can tell, this has got I know, you can tell the finish. You touch them, and they're both smooth, but one's not quite, didn't quite get it. Make it in America, dudes. They're might just freaking shit overseas. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to tell everybody my head's on fire. Oh, I turned and put out the fire. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. I have tons more videos coming. And I'm a little bit lighter since I first started doing this thing. So if I look a little skinnier, hang on, I'm getting skinnier. I'm trying. No longer diabetic. Woohoo! Thanks for watching. Toodles.